Pero ang pinakamarami kong inisa-isa yung sa ano, Ritz Carlton. Sa Ritz Carlton. Isang ano lang naman to, linya lang. Let's begin Ramadan curry. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, walang mga pangalan. Walang mga pangalan sila. So, dyan yung mga parang grilling area. Bango. Dyan siguro yun. So, dito yung mga bread area. Hairasun. Ang lalaki ng mga bread nila, oh. Ano yung kamay ko, oh. Meron talagang ano yung ano, pag may sa mga ilaw, nagigilap-gilap mo. Tingnan niyo po yun, oh. Pinapausukan niyo yung pagkain. Ang pasarap daw yan. Diba? Sa Pinas, incense. Walang pangalan yung mga ano nila. Yun yung napansin ko ba, yung iba meron, yung iba wala. So, lahat po to bread area yan. Sa camera lang naman. Ito yung baba ganoush. Favorite ko yan. Eggplant siya na may baba ganoush. Para siyang sa mga side dish ba? Pang-alis umay. Ito po yung mga uso nilang side dish. Hummus. Hummus ba ang tawag bigkas dyan? Ito naman side dish area. Saka salad, Hawaiian. Ano ba ang salad? Appetizer?
Oo.
Pang side dish? Appetizer. Oh?
Salad.
Salad, yung mga ganyan ba? Salad? Appetizer ba? Comment down below po kung ano ang salad. Appetizer ba? Side dish. Correct. So, yan po yung usong-uso sa kanilang mga side dish. Favorite ko yan. Hindi ko alam kung saan gawa yan. Mayonnaise ba or what. Pero napakasarap yan. I-pair mo siya sa mga ulam with rice. Perfect. Eto, baba ganoush. Eggplant po yan na may... Nalimutan ko na tawag dyan sa kulay red na yan. So, this is tuna. Ito na... Make your own salad ang peg. So, bahala nang mag-mix-mix dyan kung anong trip nyong salad. Tomato. Tapos, nandito yung mga sauce niya kung anong gusto nyo. Yan. So, let's move to this acting. Looks nice. What is this? Grilled vegetables. So, and dito po tayo sa walang laman. Pasta station. Pele Arabian. Smells good.
Yeah, other one on the way. Me also on the way. Here only Italian chef, this like station pasta.
He's pure Italian.
Chef Happy.
Ah, okay.
Yes, he's from Florence.
Wow. For sure, you're really nice.
Yeah.
Your pasta.
Yeah, afterwards you will try.
What you will recommend
2009.
best?
Yes, starting from 2009 is
Oh.
like Bichi restaurant from Bel Qatar. You see all the pasta also. Alfredo, penne, spaghetti, farfalle, linguine.
You're making also white sauce?
Yes, of course. White sauce, pink sauce with mushroom, arrabbiata, bolognese, pomodoro. Arrabbiata يعني spicy like garlic, chili flakes, cherry tomato, basil, fresh. Now some people bring in only freezer, everything fresh.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, all fresh.
Taga ano daw siya?
Parmesan cheese also.
Legit ah. So here are some
We're making fusilli. Yes, fusilli.
Fusilli is nice, yeah. Oh wow.
It's al dente.
I will go back later. Taga ano daw siya? Legit Italiano daw siya. Kaya masarap daw yung pasta niya, kinikismis niya. Ay, ano sila yung gusto mo? Fusilli. Ayan, oh, ginagawa niya. So, chinichika niya na taga... Good evening. Hello. Okra with lamb. Turkish. Mukhang masarap yung pasta niya. Kaya nga, dito ko lang first time na ano na pinagbubuksan talaga yung sa mga ibang resto na puntahan namin. Ako pa yung nagbubukas eh. Siya talagang kusa. Gusto nilang ipa-video. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ooh, looks nice. Thank you. Oh? Talaga? Ay, talagang gusto nilang ipa-video. So, ito ang Mr. Taylor Steakhouse. Nakakagutom. Ano tong mga to? Sauce to sigurado naman. Ay, Diyos ko po, ang bibigat ng mga lalagyan. May fusilli. Doon ako na natuwa din. So, chinichika nung nandun sa pasta area na gumagawa is legit daw siyang ito. From Italy. Sarap. Pwede na, pero mamaya pa mag-start kumain. Kailangan kasi 6:30 mag-start kumain. Pero pwede nang kumuha. Alam Tino? Yun, oo, sabi niya, hi. Asas kinikwento niya na yung lalaki daw legit daw na Italiano. Kaya sigurado daw masarap daw yung gawa niya. Tapos hindi ko napansin, nagbibideo din pala siya.
Bibidyohan niya siya, kaso hindi niyo mabidyohan kasi gaganon siya, gagalaw ka din, tatapat ka din sa kanya.
Ayun lang. Alam niyo na. So, may shawarma din po sila. Ayan. Bili ng shawarma. Tandoori chicken. Dito yung mga French fries, nuggets, vegetable samosa, beef samosa. Ayan yung mga uso sa kanilang merienda. Keyboard. Sobrang ganda ng dito view sa Rixos Hotel. Steam rice. Talagang binubuksan nila yung bawat Gusto din nila ipa-vlog oh. Parang masasarap pagkain. May buhatin mga to.
Tawa na kali.
Sino? Buksan mo nga ito.
Mabigat yan. Buksan mo sa kanila.
Mabigat nga. May nakita ka ng umali? Ito, hindi ko alam yung mga area na to. Spices din ata. Rasa.
Rasa.
Chicken tikka. Mainit. Mainit. Fish tikka. Butter chicken. Ooh. Mainit yung takip. Yellow dal. Ang ganda ng view dito, promise. Pero pag dito, hindi na nag-ano.
Bilang sarap.
Ay, meron pa pala dito. Hindi ko na hindi maano. So, dito ang dessert area, no? I think dessert area to. So, they have selection of Arabic dessert. Ano to? Vanilla. Parang ano to? Walang pangalan. Hindi ba strawberry yan? Vanilla. Yung view dito, kita ata yung sunset. Tapos beside ano siya ng dagat. Ito na naman yung gabundok nilang ano, parang Christmas tree. Hindi yan ano, diba? Ano pangalan nito? Dates. Hindi dates yan, diba? Parang blueberry ata to. Blueberry cheesecake. Ito, hindi yan dates, diba? Iba siya. They have fruits. Ayan yung mga fruits nila. Bread and butter pudding. Ay, feeling ko andito yung umali. Or wala. Kunafa to. Mabigat kasi to eh. Hindi ko maiangat. Ito pa na.
Mabigat. Hindi, kaya painit kasi nila yan. Para maling cheese. Ito, mali. Uy!
Ito ang pinaka-best top dessert nila, umali. Gawa siya sa bread. Yung lasa niya is bread na may gatas. Imagine niyo. Linusaw na tinapay.
Ice cream.
Meron din silang ice cream area. Rixus Golf Doha. Anong meron silang flavor? Mango, strawberry ba yun? Ube. Vanilla, of course, chocolates. Pistachio.
Yeah. Last week, my previous company was asking their marketing needs. So they were asking if you have
Really?
bloggers.
But I'm just starting
Just start?
vlogging. Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe, let's try. You never know.
Yeah.
So I'll just take your contact details and
Yeah, okay.
our form.
Thank you. Makakala niya, ang dami ko ng ano. Kaya nga eh. So may namit din akong vlog list dito. Selection of baklava. Ito yung parang Christmas tree dates. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang laki dito sa personal. Ito yung mga nuts nila. Mahilig sila sa ganyan. Ito, napakatamis niyan. Parang, ano yan eh, sugar na binilog. Ano sabi ko? Sabi ko na lahat.
Hindi.
Oh. Nahiya naman ako.
Sige mo. Yan na yun.
Kaya nga. Oh, may sushi sila. Yung iba kasi namin napuntahan, walang sushi area. Hi, good evening. Wait lang, ako na. Thank you.
Like also Arabiata, I make for you spicy. Take. You like also Arabiata, I can make for you.
What is that one? Red sauce?
Yeah, Arabiata like yeah, cherry tomato, garlic,
Ay, sige, magano na lang
Chili
ako.
flakes.
Gusto ko naman na red sauce eh.
basil,
Yeah, okay. Make
and
one.
tomato sauce.
Arabiata?
Okay.
Make one for me.
medium spice.
I like spice.
ما شاء
Spicy.
الله. خلاص. We'll eat together.
I'll take white sauce.
Ito yung ano. Fusili mo, paubos na. Ba't iba-ibang color? Ba't iba-iba yung color ng fusili na
Minute. Only one portion.
Alas. Meron kaya? Yung sushi ko. Ay, di ba mabilis naman silang mag-repeat?
You already eat? Still no. Still not eat?
Finished.
How come?
Just starting.
Yeah, I'm sure about the soup. There's like a soup, about soup, salad. They have grill for you. I know Filipino like grill, huh? على طول.
Alatul, Maya. How you know the boom tarat-tarat?
Yes, 2009 I working always Philippines.
Ah,
Like family, more in family. Yes. I work here beach restaurant Italian, Bel Qatar, 2009. 2009. Like
because a while ago he's singing boom tarat-tarat.
only one portion.
Yan yung akin na. White sauce sa'yo. Sinabi mo ng white sauce sa'yo?
Still have white sauce, brother?
Yes. Of course.
I want fusilli. White sauce, huh?
White sauce, no. White spaghetti pen. Spaghetti you have pen or fusilli?
Fusilli.
Fusilli?
Yeah.
Only white.
Yeah, only one. She wants that. That one. Well, that one look nice, huh?
What that name? Arabiata
Arabiata, yes, Arabiata.
pasta.
Chef Hafid.
What's your name?
Chef Hafid.
Chef Hafiz.
Yes, from Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Tunisia. Look for him if you want very nice pasta.
This all making يعني like Italian food, not only yes. 100% is Italian.
Pizza Italia is so nice also, right?
Yes, but here also have only bidi. Here making bidi.
Ano tong kabilang niluluto mo?
For you, white sauce for ya.
Yeah, because he don't like sour.
Oh,
That's why he want a white sauce. Baka maasim yung arabiata na yun. You know some Filipino word, no? Salamat, like that?
only na.
You didn't learn?
Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Yeah.
Kamusta? How are you?
Mabuti.
Yeah.
Mahal kita.
Maybe before you have girlfriend Filipina.
No. Only يعني
Some friends?
Because I teach him Arabic, we teach me Filipino. Like that.
Buti yun yung ginamit niya. Akala ko gagamitin niyang pasta itong mahaba. Parang spaghetti. Pure
But I
tomato.
love Filipino really, wallah. No, يعني.
You taste some of Filipino dish? Like adobo. What you try? You forgot the name. Ochocho. Sino ba nagturo dito?
Tararat, bom, bom, bom.
Sino ba nagturo
What's
dito?
the Filipino I love? I like Filipino all, not everyone. I working with him long time, not only with him. It's very good. I like really. Respect for him. He's clean also. Mashallah, every day.
You try some Filipino food?
I work at Fazan, yes. But
You forgot the name.
no, this the soup.
Soup? Sinigang?
Yes, yes.
Sinigang?
Yeah.
Fish, yeah?
Yes, please. Yep, with the beef
That's-
also I like with the.
That's sour soup?
Mashallah. Arabic also making, but we call hergma.
Oh.
Tunisia also making this, but we call hergma. We'll try after Arabiyat after tell me, huh?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Rexos.
Rexos. Look for him in Rexos.
Before Alfredo. No, Habibi Rexos, not Al.
Because we went Ritz-Carlton and Sheraton and there's no Fusilli.
You're right. You like al dente kabayan? Kabayan.
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 Yes, super al dente.
So this is my pasta arrabbiata. Look sour. Oh, asim yan ah. Ayun na yung white sauce
You,
maasim.
for you ready now. Leave
Yeah.
here, we'll put for you together. Yeah. We'll eat together, so we'll meet for you now. time here also. Huh?
Yeah.
It's good at all.
So if you like nice pasta, go here in Rixos Iftar and
Yeah, Chef
find
Hafen.
Chef
We'll
Hafen.
find Chef Hafen. Yes.
See?
Yes. Marhaba.
You will not get disappointed of his
Yes.
pasta.
You see the pasta.
Oh, see? Madaldal din eh, no? May lightning pa siya, oh.
You see? Now looking.
Let me see. Wow. Now I'm hungry.
Now, give me the plate, or I will take together.
Aywa.
Cheese. You like Parmesan cheese?
Yeah, super. That one is fresh basil?
Fresh basil,
Yeah,
yes, always. Pasta, no basil, not pasta. Really, yes. Nobody using the basil,
Wow.
not pasta.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Sayang, hindi ko na video yun.
عشرة 10 واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة
So now he's making fusilli white sauce, cream sauce.
You like spicy خويا؟ Where's cream sauce, not cream sauce, where's cuisine, where's cuisine the museum?
Tingnan mo, baka kuhain yung ano ko doon.
May napag dito daw.
Kaya nga, ibigay mo nga sa kanya, lagay niyo dun.
Hindi, baka may lalagay ko sa table.
You see how many color, like spinach, carrot, fusilli, this
so
how many?
every color has flavor.
You see green like
Flavor.
spinach, this carrot.
Ah,
How many
okay.
is?
I see. That's why I'm thinking why it's different color.
Yes,
So there's a flavor on it.
yes. Now cheese again, this Parmesan cheese.
In-explain niya, kaya pala iba-ibang kulay. May flavor pala yon, yung orange, carrot. What is
Yes.
the green one?
Yeah, green one like spinach.
Spinach.
Other carrot. Cause all vegetarian.
Yeah.
All vegetarian. Like ravioli. If you make ravioli, have meat, have seafood. Only what you put inside. That's enough. Same tortelli. Tortelli spinach.
I thought only seafood ravioli, ah.
Yeah, I like this with lobster. But have everything, yani lobster, prawns, mussel, clams, scallop.
Yeah.
Everything have. You call this seafood, not only shrimp, calamari.
Yeah.
Parang masarap din sa'yo. Ang dami niyang ginagay na per message.
Ketchup.
Be ready now.
Yeah.
Hindi na hindi. Ano yung plato mo?
After finish, come tell me the taste, huh? Not only eating, go home. Huh? Serious.
Yes, yeah, we will give you a good feedback. Bango.
Here, it's intelligence. I work also before. I always have long the certificate. Yeah. The best also for the test. I have only long. Go. We'll put here, boss.
Yeah, here.
Yalla. I put for you extra cream, you see? Yalla, habibi.
Aywa, shukran
Thank
brother.
you so much. Shukran.
Bye.
Hindi ko alam. Masarap pa to kung may sahog na chicken breast siya. Kaya kumuha ko ng chicken ano eh. Ang sarap sa kung sakto, hindi siya overcook. Hindi siya... Tama ko lang.
I took all the sweets they have.
Nothing left then? Nothing left?
No, too much.
There's Somali dad eh, so
Yeah, there is.
Ang sarap mo sa'yo.
you want to try? Then you made it nice. That
You
guy.
know, boss, that he's saying he is from
Tunisia.
Italy and he make really nice pasta.
Yeah,
And it's true. It's nice.
nice. Yeah. Half hour you are.
Boss, he is madaldal because he said he worked long time with Filipino and he love Filipino.
He's
Like,
even from St. Regis, he said. He worked there. But he likes here all. Yeah. It's much better than he said.
St. Regis. Mr. What his name? Mr. Basha.
Basha. And he said too much Filipino here. Chef. Maubos ko to. Ubusin mo yan. Sarap to, no?
ang sarap niya. Gusto ko din yan.
Ang creamy, no?
Ang sarap niya, no? Gusto ko din yan. Ito kasi, masarap siya pero yung asim niya kasi...
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing happy.